Hey, hey, hey. Stream is starting. Okay. So, where did we leave off yesterday? We were trying to change the capacitors so that debounce our buttons to get a clear on and off signal, which didn't really work. So now we have a couple of choices to make. What the fuck? Oh. Do you also get some random emails from like a site you ordered something like years ago and it's some... Or please rephrase that. That sounds very wrong. You sell pens. What is this? Love that stays. Oh my god. Okay, right. So first what I want to do is get the capacitors off of these buttons, because debouncing them does not work. They take like 10 milliseconds to actually reach high, and in that time they trigger the interrupt like 4 or 5 times. Very unpredictable, very much unwanted. Can I actually, hold on, do it like this? Nope, not this, this. Move this up, move it like this, move it down, let's go. Okay, now I can actually see what I'm doing. Come on, get out! No. What are we doing? Come on. Ah, we're out. Ooh, yeah. Let's turn on our iron. And let's press this back in there. Come on. I know you want to. Okay, that's it. Let me zoom in. These three. Ooh. We want these out of here. Excuse me. Oh, and I want this one out of here too, which might be more complicated. Gonna have to see, maybe if I use enough force. Let's get some tweezers going. Wait. Where are we at? Okay, yes. We have heated. Get our suck gun. I don't know what you would call this. What is this thing called? Desolder sucker. Oh, Jesus Christ. There is a lot of tin on the tip. Can you get off? Thank you. Okay, we need to go like vertically in here. Let me get my gun ready. From like this side maybe. And let's see, let's get you fluid. Okay, that looks good. Yeah, that certainly sucked something off. Hehe. And that didn't really do a lot, I think. Last one, maybe from here. I'm gonna count it. Okay, now we will turn this around. And we're gonna try to pry these things out. Get my tweezer in there. Oh, that was easy. Number 1, come on, get off. Number 2. Let's grab it. Come on. There we go. Oh, nope, nope. Damn it. I don't think I had it. I don't think this tweezer is strong enough. Let's get our thicker one out. Jesus Christ, how many bots are on kick? I can't ban you, I have 2 hands occupied. Come on, get out. Damn it. Damn it. Yep. There we go. Okay. Let's see, can we get this out? Yes. Come on, get off. Okay. Let's melt these things back. Oh. Oh, there's a cap in there. What's going on here, huh? Did I destroy this one? Might have. Oh, no, I can't grab it. Let's do the last one first and then we will take a look. So yesterday I did try to do like cat purring sounds, like, alright. Bro, I woke up with a sore throat. That was not the sound I was supposed to make, apparently. I thought I was gonna get sick or something. What's this? That's the right bag. And let's put everything back. I've seen some cat VTubers do this, like this sound. I don't know how they do it. It can't be that way, because that should probably... it's not good for you. Like, I felt I was gonna go... I felt like I was sick. Like, you know, when you have like a... Yeah, let's melt this stuff down again. This doesn't look good. Like, you know, when you get like a sore throat in the back of your mouth. Or I guess when you snore like the entire night, that's the same feeling. Okay. This isn't working with that. Let's maybe... oh no, not onto the cable. So that's not connecting anything. I don't know what that is. Looks like it's connected though. Let me look at this with my eyes. Yeah, I think we want to... We're gonna want to... Oh, let me get some tin going. Please get on camera. What? And the last one. No, don't do that. Okay. Let's take another look. I don't think we fixed it. Let's get our beeper and see if we have a short in here or not. Because that would not be amazing. Not at all. No. Bro, I can't do it. Such a weird sound. Okay, we're not connected. I don't think we are. I can't do it, bro. I'm gonna feel sick again tomorrow. That's a different sound. What's the purring sound? That's not it. That's the Gollum sound. Oh, it's a rolled R, isn't it? Bro, I can't do it. I can't do it. That's the only sound I can do. Next VTube Persona Catboy. Let's go. Oh yeah. Alright, and we want this one. Oh shit, there's a cable above. Okay, let's see if we can. We can. Ooh. What the fuck did I just touch that? I burned myself. Hello? Oh no, it was just a pointy piece of plastic. I just felt that it hurt. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I need to like Ooh, that was the wrong cable. I wanted to bend this part over. Okay. Works too, honestly. And now we will simply grab this part. Actually, I want to do this the other way around. Because it's a lot. Looks like it has less connection on this side. So I can rip it out easier. Oh damn it. Can't see it anymore. Well, that's not it. Let's maybe use the sucker again. Ooh. Let's get both things over here. That didn't do shit. Oh, it did something, never mind. Oh, this is taking forever. This is, oh yeah, it's ground. Okay, yeah. We're gonna have to use the suck machine. Oh, it's a resistor and a capacitor. That's funny. Wait, is it funny? I actually don't know. I think we're gonna need some of that copper stuff. I don't know what to call it in English. Oh, don't fall. Okay, and the other side. Bruh. Why is it dragging off screen? Hello? Can we not? Okay. Attempt number 2. Right, this is wide enough to do both on the same time, isn't it? Bro. Why didn't I do this from the start? This is way easier. Okay, now we need to connect all of this stuff back to ground. And stuff. I think these two were connected, right? And this was connected to ground. Oh. Damn it. Damn it. Okay, there we go. Wait, that's not ground, that's 5 volt, isn't it? No, it's ground. Why did I have it pull down? Damn. Did I have... Well, apparently it is pulled up. What? Who cares? Who cares? Turn the iron off. Put that back in. Now we need to somehow get this back in here. Come on, boy. Okay. It worked better than I expected. Let's see, we need to get... Oh no, this is too high. Okay, I think this is in. What are we seeing over here? This looks like it's... Oh, it's still hot a bit. On some points. Okay, this looks like it's in. And this is... Oh no, this is not in. This is not in at all. Oh boy. Mission abort. Come on. Is that in? It's in, okay. This looks like it's in. This is going in, and these... Come on, bruh. Are also going in, let's see. In, and this side. Okay, great, great, great. Now we will hook up our oscilloscope. We will be seeing. See which channel is the correct one. This channel. Okay. So we want to hook this up to ground and this up to the button. Come on, yellow cable. Do it. There we go. I think that's in. Turn this thing on. Oh, you can see all my fingerprints. Oh yeah. And oh, power this. Okay, let's see. We want you on normal. Beautiful, but we want just like 10 microseconds. This isn't bouncing at all. Oh. I was wrong. Falling edge. Oh, this is bouncing. Yeah. Yeah, we do get a couple of bounces in here. Okay, but that's not the problem, okay? Let's see what the other two things are saying. First this one. Alright, I need to... Okay, this is simple. Now let's get the second channel connected to this one. Okay. Now when I turn this dial... Oh, I think we need maybe milliseconds. Wait, what is the blue one doing? Why is that not doing anything? Hold on. Did I connect that? This is the blue one, right? Did I not grab the metal or something? Come on, dude. This should be it. Let's see. Okay, turn this. Nope. We don't get anything from that. Let's use these things. Oh fuck, which one is which? I think these are the once. Hold on. I got this. Okay. Now let's turn this. Does nothing. What? What if I... Channel 2. Oh no, does do something. That's interesting. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do 2 turns. That was 3. Okay, these are the multiple turns I'm doing, right? But where the fuck is the... What is the yellow line doing then? If I don't... Is it way off? These things are not positioned well. Let me drink something. Ooh la la. Okay, so when connecting these things, I want this on this thing. Okay, and this on this thing. Now when I turn this, set this to auto. See if that does anything. Okay, yellow is doing stuff. But yellow is high and blue is not high. Okay. Oh, there were some bounces. Okay. See, 5 milliseconds. Can get a lot of these. Okay. Now. Why am I getting brain fog again, dude? What the fuck? Maybe I need to move my head a little bit. Shake it. Okay, this is doing stuff. Now, channel 2. It's not doing anything. What is happening? Is it not connected or something? Oh, this side is doing stuff. Come on, automatic. Nope, we're not doing anything actually. Normal. Why is that pin not doing anything? That seems so wrong. Which pin is it in the... What are we actually looking at? Let's get this off. Oh. Yep, this thing is still running. Let's plug it out. Push a bit on it. I don't think that's gonna work, actually. Let me get my oscilloscope things off. I need to look at it close up. What do we have here? Okay, let's pull this out. What the fuck? Oh, Jesus Christ, you scared me. Hellraiser, thank you for the follow. Bruh. My poor heart. Sorry, no, you're fine, you're fine. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's see. What are we looking at here? Ground. And plus switch. DT and clock. The fuck is DT? Let's Google what the fuck it's supposed to do, because I don't think clock is doing anything, is it? Rotor typing, hello. Rotary. Differential something. Let's see, okay. DT. Oh, images. So but why is it not doing that? It's not doing anything. That's not good. Let's maybe get the switch out. Okay, that's gonna be... Ooh. Eh? Eh? I don't think I can get this out. Well, unlucky dude. We're gonna have to continue debugging this inside. How do I screw this back in? Maybe like this. I think I'm doing it. Feels like I am doing... I'm screwing it out. Damn it, wrong direction. Okay. Go back. Wait, how am I gonna do this? I need a trigger on clock, don't I? It's gonna be annoying. Do I have like a differential pair detector in my Arduino? Is that a thing that I have? I don't think so. Well, why is there another bot in my kick chat? I already banned 2 of them. Come on, go away. Thank you. Let's screw this back on. And... alrighty. Now let's see. I want the clock pin. Don't tell me I have to supply a clock, that would be fucking annoying. It also wouldn't make any sense, hold on. Okay, and connect this to ground. Let's plug it in. Which direction? Come on. The problem with USB type B is that you don't only have 2 directions you can plug it in, but 4. And it lost power. Hello? What the fuck? Is this really so... I'm doing short, aren't I? Oh no. Yeah, I don't want to do that. This is safer, I think. Okay, yeah, one of these pins isn't doing anything. That's not good. Channel 1 should do something. Oh, this is also not doing anything. Based. Actually, that's what I wanted. Hello? Why are we not doing anything? Oh, because it's stopped. That makes sense. Okay, channel 1 isn't doing anything. But channel 2, on the other hand, is doing something. It's actually doing what it's supposed to be doing. Bruh, my brain fog, what is happening? Is it my sitting position? I can't be tired, dude. I slept so long. Oh, my leg fell asleep. I don't think that's good. Okay, let's see. Why is this not doing stuff? I feel like it should be doing stuff. The yellow line. This is an awkward position to be turning this. Let's... How do we maybe measure the pull-ups? Pretty sure this thing has pull-ups. Let's get this thing off. Oh. Disentangle the cable for a bit more reach. And... Hold on, I got this. Alright. Automatic, there we go. This is, oh yeah, I need to, there we go. Okay, this is 5 volts to 0. This is not 5 volts to 0. Where the fuck do I reach that? I need another ground, I think. Can I... Oh, these 2 pins are ground, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Trust. Touch this. Okay, what? Low. Low. Okay, I'm probably doing something wrong. What the fuck? Now let's see, what are we? I'm on the wrong screen. 1 second, I need to see what I'm doing. There we go. Come on. And these are supposed to be the pull-ups. Let's actually, hold on, let's get this out of the way. Let's get our voltmeter in here. And we want to measure 5 volts. That is nothing. Nothing. 5 volts. Ha 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 ha. Why is there nothing and nothing? What happens if I press the button? Five volts. Nothing. 5 volts. Wait, what? I thought this button was low when I pressed it. It doesn't make any sense. Oh. Why am I so tired? Wait, what the fuck? Okay, we're gonna go back to this thing. And let's see, where did I put my channel 1 thing? We will connect this to ground. Get my thing. And let's try to not create a short this time. Actually, how about that? This is high. Why is this high? What the fuck? I press the button, it becomes low, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, now the other two. This doesn't do anything because it's 5 volts. I need to turn it. Okay, this does stuff. This thing is broken. Ha. Ha ha ha. Let's go back to this. Now. Something here does not work on this cable. The other one. Okay, so let's hold it like this. Can we debug which pin is connected to which? I am pretty sure that These are pull-ups. So why is this one not connected then? Hold on, I have to yawn. Do I need coffee? What is going on? Oh, I just ate a lot of carbs. I think that's what's knocking me out right now. My insulin is spiking hard. What the fuck do I do for this? Eat fiber? I don't have fiber. Also, there's no more room inside. Excuse me. Inside me. Okay, I ate so much. I don't think I can eat anything to... Hold on. I need to clear my throat. There we go. So for some reason we have... Okay, these are all pull-ups. So for some reason this one is down. Why? What are you connected to? Camera? Camera, please focus. Can we? Thank you. Why is the Kickwax website constantly moving? It's annoying. Okay, let's see. Huh. Let's get this thing over here. Let's start measuring not voltage, probably resistance, right? There we go. I think those are 10k resistors. Let's check. Okay, that's close enough. 112k resistors? Why would you do some random ass number like that? 13k. That's very specific. 120 what? Okay, so these two things are connected, aren't they? Oops. Yes. Okay. And this is then in itself connected to this, I'm guessing. Come on. Needle, touch the thing I want you to. There we go. Yes. Huh. But we want to pull this down, which should happen between the clicks. But it is not happening. Why? Oh. Could I... Let me think. Maybe I'm not... Maybe it's like one very short pulse that I need to capture. And my resolution on the oscilloscope wasn't enough. Let's test that theory. Bro, I need to eat less carbs before stream, bro. I'm getting knocked the fuck out. I am about to fall asleep over here It's bad. Okay, let me... wrong side. Plug you in. Hi chat. Let's get our... oh, come on. Cables, please disentangle. There we go. It's me, Malario. Okie dokie. This is ground and this is clock. Now if we zoom in really far and let this trigger by channel 1. Maybe not auto, but normal. Okay, it's still not doing anything. Even further. This is not doing anything. What the fuck? Is this thing broken? What? I don't need to supply it with a clock, right? That wouldn't make any sense. Huh. Ha ha ha. Okay, what? How can I debug this? What is happening? I think this is not going up or down. Wait. No. The trigger isn't the problem. Put it really low. It's just not... we're just not moving at all. Why? Doesn't make any sense, does it? Huh. Okay, hold on. How can I check if this is broken? Also, how would I... Oh boy, the carbs. The insulin spike is hitting. Let's see. you like the beard scratching ASMR? How do I... Can I just assume that it's broken? Because I don't have a second of these. That would be kind of bad. Can I open this up somehow? I don't think so. This kind of needs to actually do its job. But it's okay. It has an oh wait. It has a pull-up. But am I maybe setting it too low via the pin in the Arduino? Can I check it like this? Nope, that doesn't do anything. I need to somehow supply the 5 volts without actually having the Arduino there. Let's see, what's our code say for... That would be port C, right? Okay, port C we initialize with 3. Oh, let's look into... Oh, I pressed the mute button. I was very confused what the fuck just happened. Okay, let's look into... whatever our I/O port settings are. Pin X with source current FX set pulled low. What do you mean, hair removal machine? Well, you see, how do I, where's my OBS? There we go. You can see this, right? So, electrolysis, I think like this maybe. Hair removal. Okay, so how this works. So I apply current to needle. That goes into the hair follicle. Then this will create lye with the, like you have an oil on your skin because it's, you know, skin, and that will then create lye which will etch away the hair cells that produce the hair. Preferable and probably being permanent. Like I think you grow more hair follicles as you age, but it's basically like laser, but more targeted, older technology. And I think it's more reliable. Like laser, you need like light skin and dark hair, which I have very light skin, but my hair is basically transparent, so that's not gonna work. Let's turn this back on. Okay. But the current problem is that my rotary encoder, for some reason this one pin does nothing. The other pin, which should be like a sibling to that pin. Wait, that's also doing nothing? What's happening? Hold on. That's not good. Am I not touching it? Let's maybe use this side. Can hook it more easily. Okay, we're just not doing anything. Oh, I am stupid. Channel 1. Okay, now we are doing stuff. This is looking very weird. What the fuck? Okay, trigger please up here. I thought it was supposed to be like a robot barber. Well, that's a bit more complicated. I can recommend these things for a robot barber. But yeah. 1 microsecond? What kind of fucking capacitance is going on here, dude? Oh my god, it is bouncing all over the place. What the fuck? What is this? Come on, trigger, go down. Okay, well, at least this one's doing stuff, you know? Let's grab the other pin. Ooh. Come on. And it's not doing anything. Ooh, yeah. I press this button, also not doing anything. Yeah, so either this is broken or I am very stupid. But it seems to be constantly pulled down, which doesn't make sense. Like there's a pull-up on there. But... Huh? Who knows what's going on? Who knows? Wait, I can move my eyebrows independently? That's funny. So... we do kind of need that pin. But it's not doing anything. So... do I need to... Okay, new check. New check, hold on, we're gonna turn this off, move it to the side. We're gonna do some funny stuff where we will just simply get our voltmeter. Oh. And we will set it to short. And now we pray that there is no short. And there is a shortcut, fucking damn it. Is there a short here? Yes, focus on my hands. Exactly. Thank you, camera. That's what you're supposed to do. Okay, touch the ground. That's not a short. That is also not a short. That cannot be a short. These are also... Oh, nope, that's not a short. Why is this a short?
How do we fix this now? Do I take it out? Can I disassemble the thing? Maybe. We will try.
Okay. First step, maybe this. Can my kick website behave and not change the layout every 2 seconds? Making me think that something's happening there. What kind of emote is that? Big sad. What's big sad? That's not working. Yeah, that's very sad. Can this... Oh yeah, okay, this is the max. Oh boy. This is gonna be... I don't know if we can get this out.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, that's not looking too good. Okay, new plan. We're gonna turn on our iron. In the meantime, I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's gonna take a while to warm up. So... This is annoying. Short that cannot... I don't even know if I can take this apart. Or if I can put it back together after I take it apart. Okay. Where are my tweezers? Those are the pointy ones. Let me put those away before I stab myself. Okay. Where are they not there? Are they not pointy ones? I should have switched hands. Should be able to do this like this. Come on. I believe in you. No. I do not believe in this. Let me switch. And I can't see. Oh, like this maybe. Yeah. Exactly. I know. Oh, no. That's gonna burn my tripod. Like this. Yeah. Focus on my hands. Exactly. That is the interesting part you're supposed to focus on. Not the cable. Come on. Am I not hot enough? Hello? Bro, this focus is killing me. Bruh. Gonna go the other way around maybe. Oh, no, 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 no. Jesus Christ. But we are melting the case. We are melting the case. Oh god, that's gonna smell. Let me try to get some of that off. Ooh. That's disgusting. Let's go back to this. And just switch hands. Oh my god, it's still smoking. Plastic is boiling. That's disgusting. Yeah, dude, that's exactly the focus I want, dude. My fingernail. Oopsie. Come on. I believe in you that believes in me. Are we serious right now? Are we not hot enough? We are hot enough. Bro, can I not melt the case, please? Hold on, I need to do this like this. Yeah, I give up. I don't want to do that. I put that back in afterwards. Oh my god, it smells like plastic. Oh, burnt plastic. That's disgusting. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. New strategy. Why is the clock pin not working? There's no way I have to supply a clock, right? Huh. Is it getting pulled low by my Arduino pin? But why is the other pin not getting pulled low? That doesn't make a lot of sense now, does it? Oh, wait. Did I fuck this up? Hold on. Let's get our short measure meter. We're gonna touch ground and our pin. Yeah, there's a short going on, right? You can hear that. I think I know where the short might be. Okay, we're gonna have to get this out. Whew. With enough force, everything will eventually get out. Nice, okay. Ouch. Oh no, the plastic is pointy. Hold on, let me get some clippers so I don't stab myself every time I grab this. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so zoom. Which one is it? This one is it, right? Oh, yeah, that looks like a short to me, dog. Let's get our, maybe with this thing. What are we looking like, huh? Oh yeah, there's 100% a short over there. What do I... Oh, maybe I can split these two things. Let's try that. Turn the iron on again. Okay, I think we found the error. That's good, because this is a fixable one. Just need to somehow get this mess of... There were a couple, like there were 3 capacitors in there before this, which I desoldered new in, and then I took them out, so it's looking appropriately. Can I get some of that fucking plastic off, please? It's gonna start to smell again. Come on. Get that sponge up. Okay, let's hope that works. And where are our things? If we melt this. Let's see. Okay, let's take our short finder. Can you hear that? Probably. Quietly. God fucking damn it. There is still a short. Uh-huh. Wait, what's on the other side of this? Nothing. Wait, can I just cut this cable? There's no way, right? Just... Where's my... There. My clipper. Okay, let's see. Do we still have a short? We will touch ground. We do not. Okay, I think we fixed it. Nice. Let me turn my iron off. Zoom out. Just gonna have to find a way to use the rotary thing without the pin interrupts, which might be a struggle. Okay, let's see. Come on. Get this in there. No, that's not in there. Okay, let's... How are we gonna do that? First this... come on. Okay, I think this is in. This is in. This looks like it's in. Oh, no, don't press too hard like that. Can you go in? Okay, this goes in. Okay, this is in. Okay, let's see. Did we plug everything in correctly? Come on. There we go. And hi chat. There we go. Nice. Let's turn this off. And we can get our oscilloscope back on the screen. With my very pretty fingerprints. Okay. Let's hold on. This will connect to ground. This will be our clock. Come on. Nope. Clock. And our second channel will be our delta. What's DT stand for? Oh yeah, both are high. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Actual incompetency, dude. Wasted an hour on this. Okay, now if I turn this thing. Okay, perfect. I think. Okay, microseconds. 100 microseconds. 2 milliseconds. Okay, 2 milliseconds seems to... Oh, this depends on how fast you go. Oh, this is... Oh, this might be a problem, bruh. Wait, and the other way around is... Shifted the other way around. Okay. Now, how will I do that? No, actually... I don't think that's hard at all. I'm simply... No. So if I have interrupt for the yellow line, right? Every time the level changes, it will trigger. And since we don't have any capacitors to debounce it, we get like 1 to like maybe 5 triggers randomly if we're unlucky. But they should all be like around this line. So we can trigger this a number of times, and we just set one variable to 1. And once the blue triggers, and this is set to 1, we know we are turning in this direction. And we can set excuse me. Everything back to 0. No, we can't set it back to 0, can we? Because once we set everything back to 0, it will trigger the blue one, thinking it's actually the yellow. Wait, no. Wait, what's if we turn it in the other direction? Two milliseconds per divider. We're too fast with it. How fast can we? Oh, we can get really fast with this. Ooh, if we want to do like a 1 milliseconds polling rate, that oh yeah, we can't go too fast with this. Otherwise, there could be some fuck ups. Huh. Because if we zoom in very close and restart turning this, we will get like, sometimes you see like here maybe, where like we trigger once here and twice here, or this one, where we trigger once, twice, 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Like, eh. But it's still like, let's see, 1 microsecond per divider. If we just wait a couple of, oh no, milliseconds, we're talking milliseconds per divider. If we just wait a couple microseconds, we could do like a software debounce. Because we can't really check like, oh, if you, oh no, if this is low. Oh, you know what we could do? We can trigger on the yellow. If blue is low, we set it to -1. And can we reliably figure out whether we are on rising or falling edge? I don't think that worked with the switch. I tried that. Let me think. I mean, I could always just have a timer running and count the interrupts, but that's kind of you know. I also can't fuck. Oh, actually, no, that also wouldn't work. I can't do the polling rate thing. I'm just gonna detect like every millisecond. Like once here we know, oh, we have a difference of this is high, this is low. Once here, oh, both are low. Once here, oh, no, this is high and the other one is low. Because if we do it the other way around, we can land in these eyes, but I always need to trigger on a excuse me, falling edge. But how do I detect a falling edge? We also have this weird debounce bouncing going on. Actually, how fast can I turn this? Oh, that's really fast. That could be a problem. Like, how do I figure out which direction I was turning there? Oh, right. Yeah, never mind, I can do that. Okay, I don't think I can do this with a polling, or reliably do this with polling. Like if I turn too fast, this will break. But am I gonna turn fast ever? Maybe. Huh. So triggering that thing. Dun, 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 dun. I can't be adding the capacitors back in, they took way too long to charge. Can add smaller ones in, but at some point, you know. Honestly, I think I can do it with polling rate, hold on. Just don't turn it too fast. You know, when I trigger it every millisecond, right? It's 1 kilohertz. How much do I have? 16 megahertz. Yeah, we should be fine. So I will add like 1. Oh, we are at 0. Then we see, is this at 0 or is it not at 0? No, we need to monitor both, I think. So then we can see, oh, this is at 0. Oh, this is at 0 afterwards. And when we switch, we will know Okay, what will we do? When one switches, we will set... Oh, that was bouncing, bro. Okay, let's say the blue one switches first. We set this variable to 1. Then we wait. Oh, this one is switched. Because the blue one is already switched, we set... no, we set both to 1. And we set like left towards to 1. Let's see. Yeah, honestly, I think we're gonna be fine with the polling rate. Like, when are we gonna turn this so fast? Oh, 0, okay. And then this one is gonna go up again. Okay, so we will set this to 1, this to 1, and then this to 1, this to 1, this to 1. This will go back to 0. Let's go with the actual levels. So we set this to 0, we wait for this to 0, we turn the dial 1 to the left, and we set this to 1. Ooh. We need to figure out when to reset them. I think we set this to 0. When we set this to 0, we set the left the turn variable to like 1. Or we set both to 2 or something. Just mark them so that we already used them. And once both are 1 again, we reset both. I think that's probably the best way to go about it. Yeah. Oh boy, it's late and I'm very tired. Yeah, and you know what? We figured out how these switches work. Tomorrow we can actually do the programming for them. Let me get this off. And when we do the programming, we will do it without the like debounce stuff, because that's annoying. Instead, we will simply do a timer that triggers an interrupt every millisecond. So we have a 1 kilohertz polling rate, and just what do you call it? Poll, I guess. Poll all the buttons every millisecond. And that way the debounce won't really be a problem. And we can we can continue programming this. I think it's slowly coming together. I think we have most of the bugs out. The harder part was gonna be programming the regulator for the voltage level to get our current. But I mean, it shouldn't be too hard. Well, love you all parasocially and your moms romantically. Goodbye.